How to reactivate deactivated account on Uber. The first things first is just access your Uber app or maybe the Uber via their official site. Now in your browser, just simply type in uber.com and you will now then be redirected to uber.com's official website. So just want to let you guys know that if you just recently created your account and it is not yet past the 30 days, then you can definitely reactivate your account without any problems. But if you would like to reactivate your deactivated account and it is already past a 30 days period, then all you have to do is to go to this page and scroll away to the bottom part and go to the Visit Help Center portion. Now once you're here, you will be redirected to another page and then just simply choose on riders. And from there, you'll just have to interact or coordinate with one of the supports from Uber's official site for you to be able to send a request that you'd like your account to be reactivated. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to reactivate your deactivated Uber account.